How to make a Virgo man fall in love with a Taurus woman. Understanding how to make a Virgo man fall in love with a Taurus woman involves appreciating both signs' practical and grounded nature. Virgo men are careful and analytical, while Taurus women are steady and sensual. Their shared earth element can create strong bonds if nurtured with patience and sincerity. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 straightforward tips to help a Taurus woman win the heart of a Virgo man. 1. Be reliable and consistent. Virgos value stability. Show him you're dependable and steady in your actions. 2. Engage his mind. Talk about meaningful topics. Virgo men love intelligence and thoughtful conversations. 3. Give him time. He opens up slowly. Don't rush him. Patience is key. 4. Keep things neat. Virgos appreciate order and cleanliness. A tidy environment will impress him. 5. Show practical affection. Avoid overly dramatic displays. Simple, sincere gestures mean more. 6. Respect his high standards. Virgos are perfectionists. Support his ambitions without criticism. 7. Be loyal. Trust is crucial. Show unwavering loyalty to build his confidence. 8. Enjoy simple pleasures together. Taurus women love sensory experiences. Share meals, music, or nature walks. 9. Stay calm and composed. Avoid unnecessary drama. Calmness attracts his practical nature. 10. Appreciate his helpfulness. Virgos like to serve. Let him feel useful and appreciated. By blending your steady Taurus nature with his careful Virgo traits, you can create a meaningful and lasting connection. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.